strand begins to rise and gently brings new paths to life. One movement draws another near, a quiet unity appears. Your steady heart inspires the way, inviting others to join the day. Through shared intention gently shown, the seeds of progress start to grow. Connected progress lights the air, where working together grows with care. When one moves forward, all can see the strength found in community. Success becomes a shared embrace when hearts advance at the same pace. You lift the path for more to find, a rising tide for every mind. With open hands you guide the flow and help collective spirit grow. Each step you take becomes a thread that weaves the future just ahead. Together dreams gain steady form as unity becomes the norm. Connected progress lights the air, where working together grows with care. When one moves forward, all can see the strength found in community. Success becomes a shared embrace when hearts advance at the same pace. Shared movement creates the strong